What's up, Shinigami? Shinigami here with another video. This was something I should have done a long time ago. Sorry for the big long hiatus this year, but this is a follow-up to that video I made back in February with Mr. Tobar here, explaining the first couple of counter techniques and how the misconception is that we train for compliance and that the way like traditional non-jiu-jitsu or MMA arts train is not, you know, realistic or whatever. Even though they do the same exact phases, they just do it all in one night for one technique instead of stretching it out over a few belt levels. So, like I promised, I was going to show you how to take those same techniques, plus I'm going to throw in a bonus one and add jiu-jitsu to that. So, like we did before, reverse fighting stance, right? So he's going to do right jab, left cross, right? Bam, right? So we get back into the delayed sword. So I can come here, right, and I can set up a few things. There's a couple of sweeps here, but I'm going to go for right, which I have control of his arm, right with the arm bar. That's one option. So if he does it again, right, I get my parries, right, well, I'll do that one more time. All right, so I step back. Actually, I come at me a little more intense. Boom, right? I can come in here, right, do a few things, single leg, bam! Now if he stays in frame, I have ankle lock here. If he tries to do that, he just gives up his back, gets choked. So then we have the second one, right, alternating mazes with the two-hand push, right, boom, remember, bam, bam. All right, cool. So at the end of this, I can arm drag for a back save, right? Or alternately, say he does that, and instead of when you come in this time, kind of try to either duck a little more with that first hit so the back knuckle misses, or otherwise avoid it. Boom, right? Maybe he ducks too low. Same thing. I get this arm drag. Gives me all kinds of options. I got the lapel choke if they're wearing a jacket. If they're not, I can drag them to the ground, do all kinds of detainments. Jiu-Jitsu and Kenpo fit really well together because they're both very close range arts. So, third one is sword of destruction like we did last time. So he's going to do right, left, right. Same thing, I can come up here, get my pawn, wrist lock, right, Americana or Kimura. With the wrist lock, all kinds of options. Now for the bonus, the fourth technique, and one I didn't really show you, was deflecting hammer. So he's going to come in with a big, rear leg thrust kick, right? So Kenpo is just boom, boom, right? I missed one detail, but again, so boom, check, come in here. Now this ties into something really cool that my jiu-jitsu professor showed me last night. So he comes in, boom, right, I'm back here. I get a good takedown if I decide to turn it into a throw or I over redirect his leg, right? Go again. Bam, see he's way out here and I'm way over here. I could still get this, but maybe I don't want to hurt him. Maybe I just want to get that detainment. So I come here, I get my double unders, and then I step back and drop. And now I've got back control with whatever I want. And that's pretty much it. We'll get more in depth into that kind of stuff later if this video does well enough. So like, comment, subscribe, and leave your thoughts down below. And next time I'll come back, well maybe not next video, but next time we do this I'll go more into MMA drills or how Kenpo applies to MMA, blends into Jiu-Jitsu for that, all kinds of stuff. I've got a lot of ideas, guys. But for now, Shinigami out.
Shinigami, samurai master, straight up out the land Lancaster. No one stronger, ain't no one faster. Turn the knee opponents into Caspers, ghosts, disasters. We don't do no waiting, where I'm from, we attack them. Swift KO kick to the chin, leave them napping. Sniff, take a whiff, that's the smell of victory. Better fear, making all my peers' careers history. Big dubs, all we catch is big dubs. Karate chops to his tops, leave him big slumped. Humble beast, beefing in the street, we don't take no loss. You gon' catch